Well, ski season is pretty much over, but this massive base storm has given a little bit more life to what had been a bummer of a season.
People just run out there. They're like, snow.
Any chance I can get.
Well, your reporter of the mountain, Spencer Wilson, takes us to some of the last bit of skiing Minnie's going to find this year.
It's the perfect ecosystem for those who love to ride. Not only do we have great powder up here, but we have good people giving each other rides up and down, up and down. One of the few spots you can actually ride right now in Colorado, Loveland Pass, where they're finding plenty of powder.
Many thought they'd clipped in for the last time already, but Mother Nature had different plans.
I mean, this is unbelievable for me.
It's not over till the fat lady sings.
The dedicated get the powder turns up here. Seizing whatever opportunities led them to the top of Loveland Pass.
I'm here on a snow day from East High School. Thank you, DPS.
Yeah. Thank you, Mullen High School. Thanks for the snow day. We're having a great time out here.
And it's all supported by other skiers and riders, shuttling people back up to the top after a run. Sometimes people they've never met before, but who are just as crazy as they are.
Stoked for snow all the time. More stoked, more snow, more snow, more stoked.
Trusting strangers, strangers trusting you with their lives, you trusting them driving your truck down, you know, all kinds of crazy stuff. But at the end of the day, it's all good people who are here to look out for each other, keep each other safe.
It's a bond, forged in 13 inches of powder, that creates Colorado moments just like this.
Now, I met a guy today, Butch, and he says he's been out here since the 80s, and he's still crazy too, you know? So it's in all of us, all these people doing this. We got a little bit of crazy in us, but it's a good kind of crazy.
The last spot to actually ski at a resort is Arapahoe Basin this weekend. You can expect with all this powder, those folks are definitely going to be crowded. But for now, right here on Loveland Pass, they are happy with what they've got. On Loveland Pass, Spencer Wilson, covering Colorado First.
I don't think you're going to find anybody who had a better day than those guys.
No.
That's
it's
awesome.
contagious,
Yeah.
isn't it?